Angela here. Now today it's going to be all about lipsticks. Now I'm very excited to be unboxing my first Burberry Travel Lipstick Kit. Now I'm very excited because it's also my first time trying out the Burberry lipstick colors. Now at the end, I will also be sharing the 3 different kinds of lipsticks that you can use and choose to use if you're not into the usual tubular kind of lipstick. So this is it, the 3 little tubes from the Burberry's Lipstick Travel Kit. Now the 3 colors are Military Red, Russet, and Oxblood. So I'm very excited to try them on. Now it seems to be that the lids are magnetic, so it only closes a certain way and it won't close any other way but that way. It's pretty cool! And also there are mirrors there as well for you to use if you don't have a mirror handy. Alright, so I'm gonna try out the Military Red right now using the mirror that I have here. Okay, so make sure the Cupid's bow, you outline it, and then make sure the edges, like, don't neglect them. That's very important. So many girls neglect the sides to their lips. And make sure you outline your entire lips so then it doesn't look like the lipstick is bleeding out onto the rest of your face. So what do you guys think about this color? And which occasion would you wear this lipstick color? Now here I have 3 different kinds of lipsticks that you can use that are not the regular tubular kind that I just showed you. Now here I have my Chanel one, and you use a brush to put these colors on your lips. Now these colors are gorgeous. Now make sure after every use you clean your brush. It's very important for hygiene. You don't want bacteria building up on your brushes. Now the next kind of lipstick I have is a lip liner from NARS. I love their colors, and their colors are very hard to take off, even though sometimes they do bleed out pretty quickly. But yeah, so it's like a pencil that you also have to, sharpen from time to time. Now this one is a secret that most of you don't know about. This kind of lipstick is basically a tint kind of lipstick where, this one's brand new. It's kind of like a gloss. So as you can see, it's liquid. And then you just apply it to where you want it to be on your lips, like in whatever shape, things like that. And then you have to wait for it to dry out. Now this might take, a different period of time for each person depending on how fast it dries and also how much you put it on. So basically it's a tube and it's liquid inside, and you squeeze it out depending on how dark of the color you want it to be. And then you apply it on your lips. The more you put on, the darker the color it is. And then you just kind of have to wait for it to dry out. Now it depends on where you are, so how fast it dries out it's dependent on the person and where you are. So today I've shown you how to apply lipstick, how to put it on, and in my next video I'll be teaching you how to remove makeup, especially lipstick. Now it will be in my part 2 lipstick makeup series, so make sure you stay tuned. With that being said, make sure you hit the like button once and the dislike button twice. See you in my next video. Bye!